Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will learn how to make off Canva mobile menu using Elementor Pro. So don't skip this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Before we go into video, make sure you already purchase Elementor Pro plugin because off Canva menu option you only will able to find if you upgrade to Canva, if you upgrade to Elementor Pro. To get Elementor Pro discount, you can check link in description. Once you already purchase your Elementor Pro plugin, we will go ahead to the plugin section. Make sure you already install WordPress, and if you already have a website compatible with Elementor, then you can use Elementor Pro on your website. First, we will make sure that we have Elementor free plugin installed. So for that, we will go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and here we will search for Elementor. So here we have Elementor website builder. Go ahead, click install now, and I will activate this plugin right away. And the next step, we will install Elementor Pro plugin. Make sure the Pro plugin you already download the zip file on your computer. So let me go ahead, add new plugin, and we will upload our plugin Pro Elementor Pro file here. So let me go ahead, click on upload plugin and choose your Elementor Pro plugin zip file here. So let me choose my Elementor Pro. Now we have successfully installed Elementor Pro. Go ahead, click on activate plugin. So now we have successfully activated our Elementor Pro plugin. If you already have a pre-built header which is compatible with Elementor, then you can skip the header builder option because I'm using different theme. So in this theme, I already have header builder option, but with Elementor Pro, you can build your own header. But if you have pre-built header compatible with Elementor, then you can just edit your current header. The process is very same. Let me first make my header with Elementor Pro just to show you. Let me go to templates, header builder. So before we go into, let me connect and activate my Elementor Pro license. So we have successfully activated our Elementor Pro here, and click on header section, add new. Now we will add our Elementor header. So if I cancel here, let me cancel. So this is the interface. If you have already website that compatible with the Elementor builder and your header section is compatible, the process we start from here is very similar. Because right now I don't have any header. I will build one header just to show you how to enable off canvas menu. So let me go ahead, insert any header, Elementor container section to build a header. Let me choose Flexbox. Let me choose the three sections. One, we have a logo, or you can skip this option if you already have header. So let me quickly make this done. Let me upload my site logo here. Okay, then next add element and WordPress menu here in the header. Okay, and then I will add button. So let me search for button. Okay, in the last. Okay, so I have header now. You can skip this option if you already have header. So let me go ahead and make it these things aligned. Yeah, here aligned. Yeah, everything is aligned. Let me fix a little bit. Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, now align. So let's talk about now off canvas menu. We will add here nearby the button. You can add it anywhere. So now as we already activate our Elementor Pro, let me go ahead, add element, and here search for off canvas, and you will find out off canvas section. Let me just click on it, and it will be activate here in the header section right away. Just you have to click it. Okay, if I off my section here, just to show you, and here you can see the off canvas icon is present near the button. So let me delete my button first. Here it is, off canvas. Let me delete button, so we will keep off canvas menu here. This is off canvas menu. So now let me first click on it, and this is our off canvas editing area. First let me enable editing mode here. Okay, and then off canvas menu name, you can select your off canvas menu name here. Horizontal position, if you want to keep it center or in the end, so I will prefer to keep it in the end, in the right side. Vertical position can be center or start. We can start from here. So the box here, we will build our off canvas menu. When you enable the editing mode, we can drag elements directly here. So the width, you can adjust the width of canvas like that, or you can just deselect the 0, delete the 0, and it will become default. And height, you can customize your height if you need more height or little height. For example, you want to only add button in the off canvas or social media icons, then you can adjust your height according to that. Okay, but I'm building off canvas menu, so I will keep it till the downside here. Now let's talk about setting. What settings we have? Entrance animation. So what is animation? If I click my off canvas menu, if I close here, if I select fade in or fade in down, the animation will be enabled on the off canvas menu when someone click there. Okay, let me go to layout of this one and try to click on it. I have to enable this one. Yeah, you can see now the animation. If you want to change animation, go to again setting and select another one. Fade in left, fade in right. Let's try fade in right. Now let's click again layout and try to off or on to check how it works. I think this is perfect. Okay, let me enable. Now let's go to again setting. Then what setting we have? Exit. On the exit, I also wanna fade out to right. Where it come from, it goes straight way, that same way in the right side. So let's try out like that. And then setting again, animation duration, 1 second, 1.5 something. You can increase or decrease it. If you want to make it something faster, just keep on 1.0 and try out. Yeah, if you want to make it slow, just add 1.2.0, 1.5. You can try out a different value in the animation duration. Next, we have interactions. Prevent closing on overlay. I will recommend not to enable these things. Prevent closing on ESC overlay. If I enable this one, so it will affect my backend overlay. So I will not use this. I will use this one, disable page scrolling. Okay, even the user scroll the page, my off canvas menu will be stick here. Then you have to enable this one, disable page scrolling. If I not enable this one, for example, if you want to disable it, then you have to enable this one, the page scrolling. If you want to keep page scrolling along with the off canvas, then you can keep it disabled. Okay, after everything, let's talk about the design, how we design it. Let's design our off canvas. Click on style section, and first we have a background type. You can try out background type. Let me click on classic, or you can go with gradient one. If you wanna use two different color, you can choose gradient here. So in the background, let me choose background color for off canvas. I think this will be great, something like that. Okay, now then we have a border type. If you want to make this border like solid, it will be solid, but you can change border color to black, something like that, or yellowish. Okay, you can try out these things, green, red. Okay, let's go with the gray, little gray or white. And then you have an option in the border type, more option, double, dotted, if you want to make it dotted. Okay, then we have a border radius, how much radius you want to keep in the border, how much. You can see here the border color is displaying here with the dotted. Let me select solid, and you can increase the border radius if you want to increase it. Just to type value, try to enter 11, and you will see right away, and it will fold the corners here. To make it beautiful, you can fold the corner with the value 11 or 18, 15. 15 looks good. And you can see now we have a corner, beautiful corners. And border width, if you want to increase the border width, you can use border width. Try to enter value here. Yeah, if you want to make your border width little more to make the other color visible in the corner. So now let me choose other color this way. Yeah, I want to make it black border. So and the value I want to decrease little bit, 5 only. Yeah, 5 only. Let's try out how it look like. I will go back to content, editing mode, enable and disable. Try to disable it. How it look like. If everything's look good, then go back to style, scroll down, then you have a box shadow. I mostly use it to make some shadows, make it beautiful like that. Now we have a shadow in the corner. Then you can adjust the shadow from the horizontal like that, where you want to keep the shadow. I want to make it little bit here, vertical, and blur, how much blur you want. Okay, spread, you can try out these things. And then we have overlay section. So if I disable overlay, yeah, overlay section, if you enable this one, the background, your main website background content will be little dull if you enable this. If you disable will it, let me try out, and your backend content will be more visible. Okay, this setting is present in style overlay. If you enable this one, this will be dull. You can choose the color here as well, like that. If you want to make it dull little bit, or you can adjust how much you want to make it dull. On the downside here, you can see my mouse here. I'm using the downside, not the colors, not the color side. Yeah, you can adjust like that. I want to make it 50-50%. Yeah, perfect. You also can add image here. It's so image will be, when someone they click on the off canvas, the image will be visible. Okay, now let's publish. Okay, before we publish, we have to add our content here, which is very important. But you can publish, so your design will stay here. In case something happen, you will save your design. You to save your design, you can publish it one time, then you can start designing, put content inside the box. So first you have to decide what type of content you want to add in off canvas. As you can see, it has plus icon within the box. So we will work within this box here to drag some elements. I will click on add element, and you can drag anything here you wanna. First, let's talk about you wanna add beautiful logo here in the starting. So I will drag again site logo here. Let me choose my logo. Just you have to choose your logo here. Click change site logo, click on it, and now choose image. Okay, let me choose this logo and save changes. Now our logo has been updated here. Okay, so but it look bigger. You can adjust your logo in the style section. Click on style and you will see width. You can start adjusting your width for the logo. Okay, looks good. Okay, then you can also adjust the height. If you want to make little bit blur to make it beautiful, enable box shadow here as well. But make sure your logo is transparent and in the round shape. Okay, it's good. Okay, now let's talk about to add some more elements. Now I want to add menu here, off canvas menu. So I have, you also can use a lot of elements here. You can use any element. For example, you want to display blog post here, then you can find the blog post here. It is post. In the pro section you will see post. You can just drag it here easily, and now post will be display here. Make it column 1, so it will be display the one only 2, and disable the, okay, this way. Okay, just to show you. Now let's talk about add menu here downside. So I will drag WordPress menu under the logo. You can drag simply. Okay, but I want to make it horizontally. Okay, then we have a setting here, layout menu. You can name it menu. Then you have to choose your menu. If you have multiple menu, in the layout choose vertical. Okay, after you choose vertical, it's now in the left side. I want to make it the center. First let me change the color of my menu to make it visible. So I first go to style and text color, I will make it white. Yeah, perfect. Now again click on content. Under the layout vertical, you can adjust to make it center here. Alignment, click center. Now our menu in the center, but in the background there is a one line here. When we hover our mouse to the menu, I want to change its color. So in the pointer, the option is after the alignment there is a option pointer. This is the pointer when we hover our mouse. Underline, you can choose background like that to make it beautiful. I will suggest you can go with the background one, and then you can change your hover color, background color, according your theme. Then you have to go to style and scroll down to the toggle button, main menu. Yeah, main menu, in the hover. Yeah, in the hover. When we hover, there is a red color. So you can easily choose here pointer color. I wanna make it okay, green. You can try out different colors, which one you like. Okay, let's go with black. Yeah, beautiful. And then let's come back to content and try some more setting here. Sub menu indicator, you can set icon for the sub menu indicator, so it will indicate there is a another sub menu inside the menu. You can choose like any icon here. And then we have a full width. If you want to make full width, so I will not recommend, just keep it as it is. Text align aside, or you can make it center. Text align. Toggle button, hamburger, you can choose hamburger here, and then icon for the toggle button. Okay, let me go back to our main area. off canvas. Yeah, beautiful. Now you can choose this color uh, for the icon of Canva icon. You can change it when you click here. You can select style and you can change the color of the icon here. But for before that, let me go to setting, layout. Overlay. Okay, so now let's talk about something else here. What else we want to add here? You can also adjust inside it if you want to make adjustment. Okay, now let's click on add element. To add some more element, I want to add button here, downside or social media icons. Mostly people they use button or social media icons in the downside in the off canvas. So let me scroll down, search for button, call to action. You can try out different one. If you want to add links, portfolio service, business card, then you have to drag, for example, business card, just to drag it under the menu. Now we have business card. You can add information about yourself. First you have to choose the image of the person here you are making a business card for, and select default or center, left, center, top, center. Yeah, top center. And second image you can delete if you not have, then this way you can adjust it. If you don't want this, just to delete, right click on the element, delete it, and come back to add element again and search for button. For example, I want to add button, so I have button here. I will drag under the main menu. So for the button, let me align to center also. I will go to style and position center, but I want to give something little space after the menu to the button. So I will go to give space in element, and in any type of element, even its menu, its logo, we always use advanced option, and you will see option margin or padding. First let's try out margin. First disable link value together, disable it, click one time here, and the top put value 11 or 22, for example 22, and you can see it come down little bit. You can try out the padding, disable the link value together, and in the top put 22, and now you can see it's in the down section a little bit down. Okay, so I think it's enough. Put value 11. You can try out different values. In the downside you can also give some space, then you have to put value in the bottom, 11 in the bottom as well, 11 in the top. So margin, you can delete margin, that's okay. Now we have a top value 11, bottom value 11 as well, but in the right or left nothing. So that's why we disable this link value together. So if we enter different value for the top and bottom, but we don't want in the right side or left side, then we disable link value together. Okay, now perfect. Let me edit my menu. Let me edit my button. You can right click on the any element, edit button, and click on content and change the color, change the text from click here, get free points, and then in the link you have to put link. Someone click here, they will go to that particular link. You also can choose call icon. You can choose the phone like that. Okay, now let's add some more elements like social media icons and downside the button. Search for social icons. You can add reviews, social share. Okay, let me drag social icon under the button. Yes, looks beautiful. Now let me, you have to add it one by one, like Facebook, Twitter. Click on it, click on Facebook, and when you expand it, there is a option link. You have to put your Facebook link here. And color, you can choose official color or custom color for the icon. Which color you wanna, you can use. And if I choose black, the Facebook color will become black. Or you can click here clear, it will become default color. Okay, this way you can create your off canvas menu with Elementor Pro. If you want to add more stuff, you can try out different stuff here. And finally, after everything done, click on publish. Where do you want to display this template? I want to display to whole entire site. Click on add condition and you can select entire site. If you want to select on singular or archive, you can select according that. So for the whole site, entire site, click save and close. Okay, and publish here. This way you can create your off Canva menu using Elementor Pro. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will definitely reply you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.